Every year, thousands of intensive care unit nurses look at the high intensity, low autonomy grind and think the same thing. I need to get into CRNA school. They see the $300,000 salary and the respect that comes with the license, and they assume it is a guaranteed win. But as we move into 2026, the financial landscape of this profession has shifted violently. If you do not understand the opportunity cost of those 3 years, you are not just taking out a loan, you are walking into a $500,000 financial hole. In this video, we are going to do a forensic audit of the nurse anesthesia journey. I'm going to show you the break-even point where you actually start winning, and later I will reveal the one specific student loan trap that changed in July 2026 that could cost you an extra $80,000 in interest if you miss it. But first, let's look at the hidden bill. The hidden bill of lost wages. When you look at the cost of becoming a nurse anesthetist, you probably look at tuition first. But tuition is actually the smallest part of the total bill. The real cost is your lost wages. In 2026, a high-performing intensive care unit nurse with a bit of overtime can easily pull in $100,000 a year. Over a 36-month doctoral program, that is $300,000 of pure income you are flushing down the drain. You are not just missing out on the earnings, you are also missing out on 3 years of employer retirement, matching, and compound interest. If you factor in a standard 7% market return, your 3 years of missing 401k contributions could cost you over $1 million by the time you reach retirement age. The math gets even darker when you look at how we fund those 3 years of silence. The tuition inflation crisis. Tuition is not just high, it is accelerating at a rate that is outperforming standard inflation. As of late 2025 and 2026, many private nurse anesthetist programs have crossed the $150,000 mark for the full 3-year Doctor of Nursing practice degree. Even affordable state schools are now hovering around $70,000 to $90,000. When you add the $300,000 in lost wages to a $150,000 tuition bill, you are officially $450,000 in the red the day you walk across the stage with your degree. And that is before we even mention the July 2026 loan shift that I will break down in a few minutes, which fundamentally changes how you will pay for all of this and how long that debt will follow you. The debt spiral mechanics. Because most programs strictly prohibit you from working due to the clinical and academic rigor, you are not just borrowing for tuition, you are borrowing to eat. In 2026, with the current cost of housing and groceries, a student living in a major metro needs roughly $40,000 a year just for basic survival. If you fund your entire life and tuition through Grad Plus and private loans, you could easily graduate with a debt balance of $250,000. At a 7% interest rate, you're accruing over $1,400 a month in interest while you're still in clinical. You are literally getting poorer every time you intubate a patient in school. So, when does the math actually flip? Calculating the break-even point. This is the break-even point. This is the moment in your career where your total lifetime earnings as a nurse anesthetist finally surpass what you would have made if you had just stayed an intensive care unit nurse and invested your money into the market. According to the latest 2026 career return on investment data, if you graduate with $200,000 in debt, your break-even point is not year 1. It is not even year 5. For many, it is year 8 or year 9. You spend nearly a decade of your advanced career just getting back to zero. But there is a way to hack this timeline and cut that break-even period in half, which we will cover when we talk about the power of geographic arbitrage. The WISE CRNA strategy. If you want to be the provider who hits that break-even point in 4 years instead of 10, you need to be watching this channel. I do not give you the fluff about how to pass your boards or study tips for anatomy. I give you the business logic of the anesthesia profession. Hit the subscribe button right now to join the WISE CRNA community and stop being a victim of hospital math. We focus on the strategies that maximize the return on your degree so that you can reach financial independence while you are still young enough to enjoy it. Subscribe now and let's get into the 2026 July loan trap. The July 2026 loan trap. Listen closely because this is the most critical update for 2026. Prior to July 1st, 2026, most students could cover their entire cost of attendance with federal Grad Plus loans. But under the new legislative shifts, federal borrowing caps have tightened significantly. If you are starting school now, You likely face a funding gap of $60,000 to $100,000 that federal loans will not touch. This forces you into the private loan market, where interest rates can be predatory and there is no public service loan forgiveness. If you walk into a private loan without a clear and aggressive repayment strategy, your $500,000 mistake becomes a permanent financial anchor that prevents you from buying a home or starting a family. The geographic arbitrage hack. So, how do you win? You win through geographic arbitrage. As a nurse anesthetist, your greatest weapon is your mobility. While a W-2 job in a saturated city like Miami or New York might pay $200,000, a regional hospital in the Midwest or a rural facility in the Dakotas is paying $300,000 plus a $50,000 sign-on bonus. By taking that less prestigious rural job for just the first 3 years of your career, you can wipe out your entire debt balance before your peers in the city have even paid off their accumulated interest. This is how you turn a potential financial mistake into a lifelong dynasty. The lifestyle creep warning. The biggest danger after graduation is not the debt, it is lifestyle creep. When that first $20,000 monthly paycheck hits your bank account, the temptation to buy the high-end car and the 5-bedroom house is overwhelming. But you must remember you are still $500,000 in the hole from your school years. If you inflate your lifestyle before you have cleared your opportunity cost, you will be high income but low net worth for the rest of your life. You will be the person working 60 hours a week at age 55 because you have to pay the bills, not because you actually want to be in the operating room. Building a financial dynasty. The nurse anesthesia profession is still the greatest career in healthcare, but it is no longer a brainless investment. It requires a CFO mindset. You have to account for the lost wages, the tuition inflation, and the shifting loan landscape of 2026. If you do the math, stay mobile, and live like a resident for just 3 years after school, you will build a financial dynasty that most people only dream of. But if you are still worried about the actual numbers of how a high salary can still leave you broke, you need to see my breakdown on California versus Texas. Click the video on your screen right now, where I do a forensic audit of a $350,000 salary and show you why gross pay is a lie. I will see you there.